Look what I've got this time. Much better. Start digging. That was impressive.
Let's go. Just out for a drive with that maniac and my sweetheart. Maybe we'll go cut some trees down or cut some trails, loosen them up. Let's go. That's how you do that. Two weeks ago, stuck. Now, wide open. I'm stuck. It's not so bad. Now that we have winches that work and buggies that can get to each other, this will just take a second.
So this video is to serve notice. We're not posting to DATS Productions anymore. That's a YouTube channel that this is on. You might have been attracted to this channel in the past because of my RS1 crash video, which got lots of views, or the KTM 790R ridden off-road super hard video. That one got a ton of views. All of our new videos are on DATS Dirt Chimps, just another channel we had. We had to consolidate them, and that's where we're going, DATS Dirt Chimps.
Let's see what happens next. It's gonna get a little steep. There's a nice shot. A little rooty. A little rocky. That's a deeper shot. A little shot for you. No problem. Oh, that windshield in my shirt gets in the way. It's so dirty. Watch out for those snaggletooth rocks. All right.
You're dragging some lumber, but I don't think it's a problem.
Okay.
Go! If you guys are interested in seeing more more side-by-side videos from us, as well as adventure biking. We bring the adventure bikes out here as well. That's always a riot. Woohoo! Nice jump! Flip on over to the DATS Dirt Chimps channel. That's where all the videos are going to be posted from now on. We do have a bunch there as well already. And if you happen to be interested in snow biking, that's dirt bikes converted to snowmobiles, we've got a huge channel for that. Yeah, 7 years worth of footage, all kinds of great stuff. That's actually our main channel. We're just also doing this stuff because, well, it keeps us video editing in the summer. So used to talking to the camera. Hey, bud, come on! I think this windshield's gonna have to go. It's not working out for me. I'd rather get a little wet and not be able to see the whole day. It's just not tall enough. Yeah. Let's go. Come on, turbo it up. Nice. Do it again, do it again. This is gonna end poorly, I'm sure. Oh, really on. Hey. Okay, see ya. Tires are really moving. It actually goes backwards this time. La la la. I'm dizzy. Actually, I'm a little dizzy. Where's Andrew? Come on.
So it feels heavy turning, but I don't know why. Everything's straight. Everything looks fine. No flat tires. But it feels heavy in the wheel. So we'll go look at it at home.
Okay, that's it for this video. Don't forget to go to our other channel, DATS Dirt Chimps. This one's toast. DATS Dirt Chimps, that's where you're going to see more side-by-side stuff. A little bit of dirt biking, adventure biking. And we're going to take this big thing out and put it against an H1. Nice.